whose stock, by the way, has been used to a certain extent as a proxy for how bad or better tensions are between China and the U.S. The stock's rising in the pre-market because the Chinese e-commerce giant posted better than expected revenue for its June quarter. It was up 61% from a year ago. Mobile also increased monthly active users as well, came in at 634 million. That was up another 17 million from the March quarter. Core EBITDA margins were better than had been anticipated by the investors who follow the company. This was the toughest comp of the year because I think they were up 65% that year-ago quarter, so there had been some concern going in. You had 12.7% EBITDA growth, you added users. Overall, very strong quarter.
Yeah, and I think that there had been a sense that Tencent was going to be the prelude to be worried about this, but Tencent was a mandated shortfall by the Chinese government, which did not allow them to make money on certain games that they could have made money on. It was not a good analog to Alibaba. I do believe that people think that at some point the Chinese consumer has to slow down, and that is the worry for President Xi. I mean, everyone thinks that President Xi's invincible, not unlike Chairman Mao. You know, Chairman Mao was not invincible. And remember that the capitalist rotors came in. The capitalist rotors came in right after.
He was invincible for a period of time.
For a period of time.
Yeah.
You know, communism hasn't really worked out worldwide for long.
He killed a lot of people, didn't he?
He was a mass murderer.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he was a mass murderer. Lenin was a mass murderer.
Him and Stalin.
Stalin was a mass murderer. Obviously, you know, Hitler mass murderer. So, mass murder and communism, we have to be against those things.
Okay, good.
We don't want to be complicit. Sorry. It's not a democracy. And it wants to steal our jobs. It's not a trading partner. Now, you could say that the president is a little bit to the left of me on this. And I would tell you he's been since 2000, year 2000.
As for digital media and entertainment revenue at Alibaba, it was up 46%, I'll have you know.
Were they?
They also were talking about sports programming, interestingly, on the call as well, which I thought was somewhat interesting.
Are there cord nevers,
rights?
John?
I don't know. I'd asked. I don't know if we have it, but they talked about the importance of sports rights and sports entertainment online in terms of their focus on that. I thought that was somewhat interesting.
You know what? Actually, that's possibly negative for Disney.
We're seeing increasing demand in sports content and in providing comprehensive digital media offering for our users.
Will they find that Disney's competitive and therefore
maybe they're going to go after the NFL rights. Who knows?
Wouldn't that be something? Do you know at one point, David, I thought that, and I talked to Google about getting the full NFL rights. Why not? Yahoo got the Sunday morning Wembley game.
Yes.
I'm going to it.
Gets you back to like CBS and the NFL, which is coming up in a few years, and everybody's like, oh my God, what is that going to cost?